That's an interesting question.
Uber tech moves the world. So we got the world to ask one of Uber's senior tech leaders what moves them. What is their inner Uber?
My team builds the support platforms which power all of the support experiences at Uber globally. It is 70 countries and counting, 50 plus languages and counting.
So you work from Bengaluru, but your work affects the world.
Uber is a global company and it is also a local company. And that's what makes it more complex and interesting problems for us to solve. Our Translate product that we built here in Bangalore enables our support teams to communicate in a language of the customer. So imagine being able to speak French by a support team which is based out of Vietnam. If your family is hungry and you want to add pizza to your order, that's powered by my team.
What does it take to work on a global scale?
Go-getters. Uber was built on this philosophy of being able to get things done to ensure that we are building the right experiences for our customers no matter where we are.
So what's your inner Uber?
Do the right thing, period, right? It's very important to do what's right for the company, for the customer first, and go with a one Uber spirit.